After acquiring Bayraktar TB2 attack drones from Türkiye, now the Somali Armed Forces will also get a number of T129 ATAK attack helicopters developed by Turkish Aerospace Industries, TUSAS. The Somali Air Force is currently modernizing its war equipment to improve operational capabilities in responding to internal security threats. With this acquisition, Somalia becomes the second country on the African continent to use the T129 ATAK after Nigeria, which operates 6 of these helicopters. The T129 ATAK is a twin-engine, tandem-seat attack helicopter. It was developed from the Italian-made Agusta A129 Mangusta, now Leonardo, helicopter. The T129 ATAK is designed for assault and reconnaissance missions in harsh environments in all weather conditions during day and night. The T129 ATAK has a length of 14.54 meters, a height of 3.4 meters, a main rotor diameter of 11.9 meters, and a maximum takeoff weight, MTOW, of 5,056 kg. The helicopter is powered by 2 LHTECCTS 804A turboshaft engines, each producing 1,014 kilowatts, 1,360 horsepower. The T129 ATAK can fly at a maximum speed of 281 km per hour, a flight altitude of up to 4,572 meters, and an operating range of up to 537 kilometers.